The following is brought to you by the People's National Party.
Time come for a better Jamaica. Secure your future. Time come for a better life, so let's come together and make things right. For a better Jamaica. Secure your future. Time come for the PNP. Take Jamaica and set the people free. Senator Morris, Kenneth Russell, Wickham McNeil, Paul Pat, more than Ishka Williams, and Ryan Simpson. Know them no simple. Them a go take over Region 1. Cause time come for true, time for create a better future for me and you. That the PNP ready for do. Let me introduce the candidates from Region 2. You have Isaac Buchanan, Christopher Brown, Omar Noel, Omar Woodbine, Hubert Williams, Doreen Forbes, Campbell, Evan, Rosemary Shaw. For a better Jamaica, secure your future. Time come for the PNP. Take Jamaica and set the people free.
This message was brought to you by the People's National Party.